Hey y'all, it's Meso. Get on into my kitchen today where I'm going to be making you some Southern style delicious creamy clam chowder done Meso's way, of course. Here are my ingredients. First, I have 6 cups of diced white potatoes, and you can see here they're turning a little brown because they've been sitting in the light. I have 1 cup of celery, 1 cup of chopped spring onions. I have 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 cup of corn. I have a little bit of lemon zest. I have a can of evaporated milk, a couple of cans of clams, but I'm going to use 3. I have some coconut milk here. And I don't know if I mentioned my flour or not. I've got 3/4 cups. And here I have beef broth. Didn't have any chicken. I needed chicken, but you guys get chicken. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and get my butter into my saucepan and let it melt. To that, I am going to add my 3/4 cup of flour. And I'm going to let that kind of get all gooey together. And then now I'm going to begin to add this stock. And as I told you, this is beef stock. I want you to buy chicken stock. But the color will be just a little bit different, but the taste will be about the same. So now you see that I'm mixing this together, and I'm letting it thicken. I'm adding back more beef stock. In fact, this is a 32-ounce container, and I'm going to use the entire 32 ounces. Here I'm putting in a can of evaporated milk. You can use pet, carnation, any kind of milk you want. In goes here a can of coconut milk. I'm going to get all that coconut goodness out of there. So now I'm going to be mixing it again. You can see how thick, how rich, how creamy this is. I'm going in now. I'm putting in my spring onions. I'm putting in my celery now, and that was 1 cup of each. That's my 1.5 tablespoons of salt. I'm putting in my lemon zest and a little lemon juice that you didn't see. And now I'm putting in my potatoes, and as I said, they've turned a little brown because they've been sitting out here for a while under the lights. And I'm just mixing it up. You see how thick and creamy this is? If you like yours this thick, you can stop with your liquids about here, but I don't like mine this thick, and I'm adding in 6 cups of water. You could add in 3 cups of water or whatever you want to get your desired thickness. I just put in a cup of corn. This is frozen corn, but if you have fresh, use fresh. It'll be even better. I'm turning this up to medium high, and I'm going to let this cook long enough to cook the potatoes. I'm going to let it cook about 15 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to add in my Old Bay seasoning, which I almost forgot. I'm putting in about a tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning. I'm now getting in my garlic. And now the clams go in just before the dish is finished. So that's 1 can, juice and all. These are minced clams. That's 3 cans of clams, juice and all. So it's cooked for about 20 minutes so far. Now the clams are in. I'm going to let this just cook through maybe another 10 minutes. Look at it. Let's plate some up, or bowl some up, shall I say. See what we got. See what we got. Oh, yeah. Looky, looky, Miss Cookie. How you like this? It is steaming hot. I don't know if you can see the steam on the camera. I have added some pieces of bacon. I've added some chives just to make it look pretty. Doesn't really give it taste, but that bacon really gives it some taste. Let's just look at it a while. Who am I kidding? Let me find me a spoon and let's taste it. Yeah, I gotta make sure it's right. Oh, look at this. Let me give you a good look. Oh, turn it around, girl. Yeah, you see the clam and oh, it's hot. It's hot, hot. So good though. I need to go back in. Delicious. I want some of this bacon and a little bit of the corn. I want to show you that. Give me some corn in there. Yes. Oh, this is so good. I kid you not. Mm. Closer look. Clam, bacon, potatoes, corn, garlic. How can you go wrong? Another bite. Yes. Oh, guys, you got to do this. It's getting cold now. Please try this. Get you some oyster crackers. It is great. Thumbs up. A-OK. Guys, I want to thank you for watching my channel. If you like my videos, then share them. Give me a thumbs up. I want you to comment because I want to interact and talk with you. I want you to subscribe. Come back and see what I'm doing because you know I'm going to be throwing down in the kitchen each and every day. Bye-bye.